All right, guys, here it is. I just ripped a $1,000 NFL all day pack. I'm about to open it right now. It's essentially digital sports cards on the blockchain. It's guaranteed to have one legendary. So this is basically like I'm going to lose 500 on this pack, or if I'm really lucky, make 10,000 on this pack. Let's rip it. I am just so excited and nervous doing it live. Let's go over and see which one's which. White is common. Bluish teal is rare. Gold is legendary. And I think ultimate is like a unicorn color, like rainbowish. That's a rare. Okay, that's supposed to be there. There's at least one Lego. So there's still a chance we get the ultimate. Okay, Kat's a common. It's a rare. It's still okay. There's still, I think, one chance. That's a rare. Common. Pretty sure this is guaranteed a Lego. Huh, so there's no Legos in this? Oh, so this is a terrible pack? I don't know. Maybe I don't understand the colors. Some people were like, oh, I thought there was one. Wow, I'm pretty astonished. Unless this is wrong or I don't know. I thought this was guaranteed to be a Lego. Now I was so excited. If it's 3 rares, I'm screwed. No way. That's impossible. I mean, this is a rare for sure, so I don't even care. We'll just go in order. Huh. "12 leagues, 1 chip." Yeah, that's like the same as me. What? I don't know how to read. I thought it was guaranteed 1 Lego. 1 legendary. I get a Russell Wilson? I'm shocked. Jonathan Taylor. I guess I don't know how to read. Huh. Rare. I got some good rares, but I mean, come on. Are you for real? Oh, there's my Lego. Oh, I got my glass. Oh! Oh, shoot! Oh! 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 Oh, snap! Yes! Oh! Let's go! Oh my God. I forgot I got my yellow glass. I forgot this happened last time. I got my yellow glasses on. So the gold looks white to me. Oh, it's so tight that it was the last one. I was feeling so, I was like, it was guaranteed a legendary is what it, Josh Allen, single digits? Bro, I was kind of close to his jersey number. What's his jersey number? It's 17. So close. No way. Hell, Josh Allen, bro. How much is that worth? No. Guess what I just pulled. No way. What a dope way to end it. I'm so stupid. I forgot I'm wearing these yellow glasses, bro. So the gold highlight looks white to me. And so I'm just like, and I got some good rares too. No way.